In this guide, we'll be changing the color of the fire breathing. So let's pick a starting point first. The standard fire has like a darker smoke and a warm color, and then the blue fire, of course, a cool color, but also the smoke is brighter.
Sorry, I don't understand.
It's my Google Home Mini, but you could really start from anywhere. So let's expand the fire body particle system, which has all of these other particle systems. And then you want to select fire body, shift click down to sparks, and then control click fire collision and post fire smoke. Scroll down in your inspector and then expand color over lifetime. This way it's going to expose that module within the particle system component on each of these particle systems. That way when you go to the next one, it'll stay exposed and you don't have to keep expanding it. But let's get started. Let's make like a dark green. So in the fire body particle system, this is the only particle system where some of the color lives in the emission inside of the material. So first let's change that. Let's do like just a bright green here. All right, the rest of the color in all of the particle systems mainly lives in color over lifetime. So let's expand that, or open up this little pop-up window. And then for yellow, it's going to be like the hotter part of the fire. And then the orange, I'm thinking, is the cooler part of the fire. So let's move the yellow to like lime. And then this orange can be a deeper green. Cool. Next, faux bloom. That's like this faint, slight, fake bloom that you can see around the fire. Let's change that to like sort of the color we picked for orange. Like how this was originally orange. Let's try and meet this color in faux bloom. You can even hit your delete key if you don't think you need one of these little color notches here. Or you can click in an empty space and add one. All right. And if you want it to fade in or out earlier or sooner, then you go to these top notches. These control the alpha or the transparency weight. I just want mine a little more transparent earlier. All right. Then fire begin is this first part here that starts at the base of the fire. I try to think of like a blowtorch. We'll just keep it stark white, really. And then this part right here, I'm trying to get to fade into the fire, so let's try lime. Sure. You can turn off your gizmos too to get a closer look, or better look. All right. And then the smoke color. I imagine the smoke is reflecting the light that the fire gives off. So at the base of the smoke, we'll probably want it green. Yeah, just like that. Maybe cooler though. Okay, now the sparks. And now I'm keeping in the back of my head what was originally yellow. I'm now making lime green in all of these cases. And what was originally orange, I'm making more of like a cooler green, I guess. Just little rules like that help me move faster. Because this is so much fun. I'll sit here for hours playing with particles. Lime green. Deeper green. And so this is the fire collision particle here. I had a plane before on another take of this tutorial, and so it's showing right now, but it won't show unless you've collided with something. So let's add a plane. We can right click, probably right here, and then 3D object, plane. And we just move it forward right here. Doesn't need to be perfect, just enough for the fire to hit. We're getting a lot more of them going. So these are flames that exist on a texture sheet, which can be seen here. Oh, sorry, here in the material. If you click there with an unlocked project tab, you can see the texture sheet here of all the different fires that we're changing the color of over time. But great. For the post-fire smoke, I leave it kind of neutral because it's not really reflecting fire anymore. But of course you could change this if you wanted to. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Oh, it's not it. The point light. So you can use Alt-Shift-A to turn objects on, or you can just turn them on and off right here. And right now it's set to temperature mode, which is hot or cool. So let's turn that off since we're going to be going green. Then you can pick a green. Turn on fire body. And we are glowing green when the point light is active. Just remember to turn the point light back off whenever you're done with it. Now we're done. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.